Hello again, I'm back. Surprise! This is part 2. I am going to tip this puppy and see what happens to my cells when I do that. I want to grab the largest edge catcher I can underneath my table and pour whatever I can pour off. I'm really inclined to put some large black line right across the center and see what happens, because I have some really terrific cells that I like on this side, but I'm not caring for the design much anywhere else. And whatever I have I can put back on the canvas that isn't gloppy from having been torched. But this is sort of like blooms get stretched out, so why shouldn't I stretch this out? Especially if it makes it cooler. So it might be really fast, but that's okay, isn't it? I'll just link it under part 1. And this way we all get to see how far the cells stretch. And I love what I've got. And I didn't need it to be a space flower. I've got plenty of split space flowers. I don't have plenty of room though. I've got bottles in my way. I do love just squeezing black paint right into a composition. Now I have to decide if I want to do something with the paint I've got, and I kind of think I might want to do that. I'm much happier with this not being a symmetrical design, and look at the beautiful paint colors I have. It looks like millefiori, which means a million flowers. And what else do I want to do with that? I don't think I want to take any more of that, but I might want to tip back in the other direction. And then back there again. I just like it better. What can I say? I don't need to make an excuse. I do want a little bit more black right there. And I should put my edge catcher right back underneath. I got all kinds of cells that I love. I don't know what I'm going to do with this paint. It'll have to be in the next painting. I want that right there, that orange. So hard without 4 hands. I want 4 hands sometimes, so often. There. Now I have something that I really am proud of, as opposed to what I had, which was something that I was not proud of. But it was cool. I mean, it was a good experiment, no doubt about it. So you guys have just heard all of the other cool things I have to tell you about where to shop and what Facebook groups to look for, etc., etc. And I could torch again, and I probably will. Where's my torch? That was a surprise to me. I think I'm going to pull that thing that looks like an eye out, because it's nice. Everybody's got creatures, and I want to do some creatures, but I don't really want any creatures in this. Not that there aren't. There probably are. Loving the colors. The colors and those cells are tremendous. I could probably put a little more black across the bottom down here, and I think I might do that in a second. But I've wanted to experiment with things looking like cells for a while. So don't forget to give me a thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. Where's my straw? There. I have something I really like. And photographs of the before and after. So you guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves, know that I love you dearly. I want to put some white in there. Where would I put it? I would put it, I don't know. Let's not do that. Say we did. Let's not. All right, let's go back in here. And where are my favorite cells? My favorite cells are right there. It's time to get my camera lens recalibrated, I gotta tell you what. Alright, guys take care of each other, take care of yourselves. And if you ever want to see something, make sure to ask me for the dry photograph. It encourages me to do the editing because the wet ones are always edited, but the dry ones sort of sit there in a file folder. And the community board is a great place to find tomorrow's video, as well as Expressionist Art Studio Gallery appreciation group on Facebook. But you can ask me to see a photograph from any time, or ask me for a link, or you can ask me questions and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. And if I don't know the answer, I'll tell you that too. Don't forget to shop my Amazon link. I love you guys. I will see you anon. This is Priscilla Batzell in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Art Studio Guild. Surprise! Part 2! See you anon. Love you guys. Bye for now. Priscilla out.